I began creating a platform for the project. Initially, I made a mistake by creating a quad, but I later changed it to the platform. I wanted it to be scalable, so I adjusted the size to enable uniform scaling. You can see on the screen how that has been done. Later, I noticed a problem when I added a collision shape. It showed an error. To fix this, I added a static body to the 3D object as it is a 3D model. Even after making this adjustment, I realized I had to change the size of the collision shape. I modified the height of the collision shape to match the height of the platform and increased its width so that everything looked perfect and worked fine. However, a message still appeared stating that it wasn't aligned with the model. Despite this, I ignored the message because it seemed functional and capable of interacting with the character I planned to create next. I started creating the character from a mesh instance, but later decided to move the character into a separate scene. Then, I opened the character scene separately and began editing it. I colored the platform to differentiate it from the character so that the character is more visible. During the editing process, I encountered a problem with the collision shape and the character's representation. To address this, I made additional adjustments, which resolved the issues. I added a script using the default template, specifically the character controller template, just like in the video. Click on the character body node and select Attach Script. In the pop-up, choose the default template or create an empty script if you want to write your own code. After verifying that everything was correct, I proceeded to the editor. However, I realized that I had forgotten to add the mesh for the character. I added the mesh and updated the character's position to make it visible. Next, I noticed the scene was missing a camera, so I added one to ensure the character could be seen clearly. I adjusted the camera's position to ensure the character was fully visible. Afterward, I found an issue with the lighting in the final scene. To fix this, I included lighting using Godot's inbuilt method, as demonstrated in the video. Here is the final result: a capsule character roaming freely on a platform. In the end, it humorously falls off the edge, just like Humpty Dumpty. This showcases a perfect blend of technical functionality and creative storytelling.